How much technology and innovation do you need in order to open a door? Italian design, research and development are backed up by German engines. Perhaps much less would be enough to open a door, but quality and research of raw materials are the most important aspects for GLG. Technology is a tool which can become a real treasure if it is in capable hands. We do know it well here in GLG. We have entrusted, since 1983, the design and manufacture of our products to the people who work with us, who transform their craftsmanship into a universal technology. A perfect combo which opens up new and ever-growing production opportunities. GLG's catalogue responds to every customer's need with products of the very highest quality, simple and reliable. Flexible, self-repairing, folding or rapid roll-up doors. Those who join our team benefit from a continuous after-sales support with assistance and technical service provided by our in-house specialists. The rewards for our work are satisfied customers and an increasing number of international partners. GLG doors are installed in some of the world's largest and most flourishing industrial ports, and this is not a coincidence. More and more customers, from small family business to huge multinationals, are choosing our industrial doors for their business, with the certainty that only an international team like ours can offer such a service. In an increasingly small and interconnected world, GLG opens new doors.